Everybody don't break an ankle. Come on here. You reach there.
Oh, here's the spot right here. A gazebo spot.
This is the spot that we're gonna take?
No.
Ivy! Oh.
Ooh, so bright. Stay off the street. Hey, we used to swim right here. We used to jump off right here.
Hi guys!
I'm not too close.
We could, but we would probably stay that long.
I'll go here.
Back online.
Stay up the road. Stay up the road.
Oh, this is scary right here. That's where they used to jump off right there.
Uncle Two, never mind. I think you should not jump from here. Rocks. Spark your ass. I sense the waterfall.
Jump across, come on. Jump across.
That's what you were talking about.
Yeah. We used to go down there. We used to hang out down there. When you guys were smaller, you guys used to play right there. And we would be right there, fish right there, everything right there. Alright, here we go hiking. Mua mì cà. Nhớ hộp thấy không? Yeah, right there. Shouldn't it was up by further, huh? Nhóc bé oh. No, not really.
Why do you feel scared?
That's pretty scary. I'm not gonna lie.
What?
Walking that log.
Did people walk it?
I don't know.
Yeah, they walked that log to get there. Okay, go over there.
Okay, go up. Jaden, can you hold her hand going up?
Who's?
Bears.